Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, I am going somewhere out of Cebu. I am going to Siquijor and to Magede. By the way, I am currently here in Mactan Airport. This is actually my first time riding an airplane and I am so excited. Oh my god. I am with bro Melchip Salon. Check out her vlog.
Bro, buckle up.
Ito bako. Staller.
Dili ka rin. Ano? Blur siya. You ready?
So guys, mga ni siya. After na mo mga trip sa Magete, mato na sa Siquijor. Trip.
Yes.
So guys, we already have the ticket. We are now going to Siquijor. And we are riding Allison Shipping Lines Roro. Yun sila, mga 1 hour and 30 minutes among travel time. So, sa naman sa 8 in the morning. Let's go! So guys, muna na mong sakyan. So guys, ganina kay nag-airplane man ta, so nata sa air. Karon na po padagat na po sa Padong Siquijor. Actually, napami sa Roro karon here in Dumaguete Port. Excited na kayo guys. Actually, taga dito ko sa Siquijor. I was there for 4 years. I studied there starting from grade 2 to until I graduated in elementary, and eventually I transferred here in Cebu. Yes, muna siyang kinabuhi. My mother is actually living there and her family, and also my grandparents. So basically we are going back to my roots and to bro's roots as well because she's also from there. Already 8:30. So mga sa amin kay grupo na asping adlaw later. So nami kuan lapas batchoy. Dili siya sponsored.
It's not spicy.
Mga dili ang spicy ko lapas yang mo taga place. Anyway, that's it.
Okay guys, so it is exactly 8:30 in the morning and they are just scheduled on time. So we are now heading to Siquijor. Of course, now we always worry. So we got cup noodles, of course. So spicy for a lot.
Always hungry but never gets fat.
Nasa atong shot na ha.
What a perfect way to eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Sa mga pamilya ko sa nanonood, ang hirap ko pala maging seaman. Sea girl. Sea horse. So guys, we are now here in Siquijor after an hour and 30 minutes ride. And look at the blue sparkling water. What a lovely port they have here in Siquijor. Everything in here is like blue and green. Everything is so nice. Look at that behind me.
Ang kadako sa lubi para si mong naong.
Lagi, ugayo na lang ka. So how's the welcome drink?
Mahal kayo ni sa Cebu. Diba? 30. Dire libre. Fresh from the backyard.
So guys, it's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon and we are heading to Lagaan Falls here in Siquijor. Woo. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like it, And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave your comments down below. See you in my next one. Bye!